Hi everyone, welcome or welcome on back to my channel. So I decided to do a perm rod set, which I haven't done in a really long time. And these are all the different perm rods I'm going to be using. And I am working on freshly washed damp hair. I am not using any product on my hair for this perm rod set. And it's pretty self-explanatory, you just start rolling the rods onto your locks. The only thing I would say that you probably need to focus on when you do a perm rod set, or any roller set for that matter, is just make sure the ends are tucked properly onto the roller. Because if you don't have the ends tucked in properly onto the roller, that's when you get the curls that don't necessarily form and keep their shape at the bottom. So here is kind of a slower look at what I'm talking about. And since I have different sizes of locks, it's kind of difficult to keep all the different lengths together, but I just slowly start rolling and tucking the ends as tightly as I can. And then once I feel I have all of them secure onto the roller, I just continue to roll the roller up and then secure it. So here I am finally completing this perm rod set with these last two locks. I will say that I did try to let it dry overnight, which it did not completely dry overnight. So the next day I did have to sit under my bonnet dryer to, get the set completely dry. I would say I sat under for about 30 minutes. This is the next day. So now I'm just removing the perm rods.
Tell a homeboy you're staying. You've been taken, gone. Turn me on and mama turn him. Yeah, you know I love you like good food. You know I'm fucking with a good dude. You know you give good brain like you graduated from a good school. You know I'm a good move. You should do me. So hey, shorty, what it is? The Carter who it is. And shorty do it big. The party at my crib. That's a party in the hills. You call it what you want, but she gon' call it what she feel. This is how I feel.
So I did decide to separate some of them, like closer to the front, but I didn't want to separate them too much because I just intend for this to naturally fall throughout the week. So here is the final look. I actually like the way it came out, and I feel like it'll last for a pretty long time, hopefully, even though I didn't use any product on my locks. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.